Okay, so this is just a quick video to show you guys how to use the Why We Write site. I'm assuming everyone knows how to log in at this point, so I'm already logged in here. The main thing you're going to be doing is communicating with your peer partners, so you want to click on members right here. That's how you're going to get to finding your peer partner. The main thing to note is that you can actually search members because there are a lot of students. It's going to take you forever to go through each page to try to find your person. So the first bet is to search for their name. So you just type in their name here and click search members, and hopefully you'll find them. You'll notice that most people, like here, Alexia Stamos, have their first and last name as their login, so you shouldn't have trouble finding them. However, if there's a couple of strange ones, like let's see if we have any here. Well, these look all fine. You'd maybe just want to search by first name or last name, because if you're searching by first and last name and they only have their login as their first name, you're not going to find them through the search members. Let's see if we can find one here. This right here looks a little bit different, MXKERR, so I'm assuming KERR might be their last name. However, the best way to figure it out is just contact your teacher. If you have any problems finding your person, we can find out what their login name is, and that'll leave it pretty simple for you. So one thing you can do to start communicating, if you click on profile, you can actually see what your profile looks like, and if anyone has written to you or tried to communicate with you, it'll come up on your profile. So right here, here's my profile, and this is how you can communicate, is through the shout box. So obviously I'm writing to myself right now, which is a little bit strange, but if I just type in hello here, this is how you could communicate with your partner. Then you just click on post comment, and it will post it on their shout box, and that's one way that you guys can speak to each other. Let's see, so now we have a comment here. The other option is, if you don't want people to see your communication, is you can actually send them a message. So I'm going to have to go to a different person's page here. Another thing you want to think about is right here where it says invite friends. You may have to invite them in order to communicate with them. I'm not sure if that's the way it works, but it might be. So here's shout box. Like I said, I can type in Renee's shout box and I can actually leave her a message. Do post comment. But since I'm on a different person's profile now, I can also send her a message, and no one's going to see that but the two of us. So I can go right here and click on send message, and that's another way that I can write to her and figure out how we want to do the problem for review. And of course there's a problem, but in general that's how it should work. Let's try it again, see if it works. Okay, it works that time. So I can say peer review. I can just type into her and say, when do you want to meet on Google Docs? Or would you prefer that I just leave comments or paper? Okay. And then I'm just going to click on send message. She should get an email letting her know that she has a message, which means that you don't have to log into Why We Write every time just to see if you have something new. But you want to check your spam folder and make sure that that's the case. So if you want to check your messages, at the top here, you click on your inbox. So Renee would click on her inbox and she would have a message from me. I'm going to have a bunch of messages about people friending me. So that's the main thing that you're going to want to do with regard to the site. Your teacher might also set up forums. I've had a forum for my class. And if that's the case, then you just want to click on the forum and you can actually respond to questions and communicate with your class. Groups, we haven't done anything with that yet, so you don't need to worry about it. And events just has due dates, etc.